What if the ultimate measure of global dominance is no longer physical oil, real estate, or fiat currency, but programmable intelligence itself? Right now, multinational conglomerates are funneling hundreds of billions into building colossal AI computation centers. Governments are treating high performance semiconductor chips like military weapons, while the public still views AI as a mere chatbot. The strategic monetization of artificial intelligence. Modern civilization was fundamentally constructed upon physical scarcity. Sovereign nations waged kinetic war over sovereign boundaries, petroleum reserves, and critical mineral deposits. Corporate enterprise valuation were dictated by physical land holdings, manufacturing plants, and heavy machinery. Yet, an unprecedented historical shift is taking place. Raw cognitive capacity has officially converted into the single most valuable asset on earth. Artificial intelligence is no longer an experimental computer science project. It is rapidly solidifying into the primary digital substrate powering global finance, defense networks, automated healthcare, scientific discovery, and national infrastructure. Industry titans like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and Anthropic are pouring unprecedented capital into frontier model deployment. These tech giants recognize an existential reality that the public is only beginning to grasp. The entities that sovereignly control frontier AI models will ultimately dictate global commerce, information flow, and defense capabilities. A few years ago, machine learning was perceived as a niche automation tool with narrow applications. The arrival of reasoning capable language and multimodal models utterly disrupted that legacy perception. The ability to write complex software, parse vast technical documentation, synthesize real-time data, and reason autonomously altered global business strategy overnight. Commercial enterprises identified massive productivity acceleration. Institutional capital recognized an economic paradigm shift, while nation-state elevated compute access to a national security imperative. As model capabilities scale exponentially, raw computation has turned into the ultimate geopolitical currency. Training multi-trillion parameter architectures demands unprecedented clusters of specialized hardware. At the epicenter of this compute gold rush stands Nvidia, whose advanced AI accelerators have become the most sought after hardware components on the planet. The strategic value of compute is so extreme that global powers have instituted aggressive export restrictions on advanced silicon chips. When sovereign governments begin regulating microchips with the same geopolitical intensity as nuclear technology, it signals that AI is no longer a standard commercial software tool. but the core engine of global power. Unlike physical factories, cognitive leverage scales almost endlessly. An industrial manufacturing line can only produce a fixed volume of physical goods per day. In stark contrast, an advanced AI foundation model can simultaneously assist hundreds of millions of users, execute automated code, coordinate complex supply chains, and continuously improve its own internal logic. Historically, corporate expansion required hiring massive workforces and building physical office footprint. AI completely overturned this traditional growth model. Cognitive labor can now be multiplied almost infinitely through compute software and cloud infrastructure. Automated AI agents now complete multi-week enterprise projects in fractions of a second. This rapid transformation presents both tremendous opportunity and severe societal risk. On one hand, advanced artificial intelligence offers the promise of accelerated medical breakthroughs, climate engineering, and unprecedented economic productivity. On the other hand, it threatens sweeping workforce disruption, concentrated corporate monopolies, automated cyber warfare, and deep structural instability. Historical innovations like electricity and the global internet transformed society by providing connectivity and energy. AI goes a step further by automating human reasoning and executive decision making itself. It is not a passing trend, it is the fundamental infrastructure of future human civilization, and control over it will define the next era of global power. Standing at this historic inflection point, the ultimate dilemma arises. Has programmable intelligence takes over global decision making? What will be the true value of human labor? Will AI liberate human creativity or concentrate all global wealth into a handful of tech monopolies? The complete breakdown will be unveiled in our upcoming documentary. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Right now, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and deploy this video across your entire network. Join the frontier of AI revolution.